Hey, you are most welcome to my Freedom Breakthrough review in depth. In this video, you will discover what is Freedom Breakthrough, who is the creator of this course, price point, training module, inside of the members area, what I like and don't like about this course, is it really worth the money, special bonus of Freedom Breakthrough, and much more. So watch the entire video and check the link given below to enroll into the Freedom Breakthrough before it gets closed forever. Is Freedom Breakthrough course worth it? Freedom Breakthrough is for anyone who wants to learn how to build a real affiliate marketing business so they can be free from 9 to 5 grind. The program features lots of full-time super affiliate, so it's great for those who want to shorten the learning curve and get results fast. Who do I recommend Freedom Breakthrough course for? The truth is, not all courses and programs are for everyone. Or let me rephrase, affiliate marketing and the whole world of make money online isn't meant for all. And Freedom Breakthrough is no different. Most people new to the affiliate marketing world have the wrong idea about affiliate marketing and think that it is some sort of get rich quick scheme. If you also have that kind of mentality, the Freedom Breakthrough isn't for you, because Freedom Breakthrough isn't a get rich quick opportunity. On the other hand, if you have a good timeline, I definitely recommend Freedom Breakthrough for you. There are a lot of modules and content covered in the Freedom Breakthrough course, so you have to be willing to take the time to go through it and implement them if you are to see any type of success with this program. So what is Freedom Breakthrough? Freedom Breakthrough is an online course for anyone that wants to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business. After going through this course myself, I found that Freedom Breakthrough is a comprehensive affiliate marketing training that covers different areas of online marketing. The Freedom Breakthrough members area is divided into 12 modules that can take you from beginner to six-figure affiliate marketer guaranteed. The course can definitely help you to create a full-time online business from scratch if you implement the training inside. Now it is time for me to tell you the course curriculum of Freedom Breakthrough. The Freedom Breakthrough course members only area is packed with videos lesson, various resources and also other bonuses across 12 plus modules. The first module of Freedom Breakthrough is the affiliate stacking ecosystem. The second module of Freedom Breakthrough is the perfect affiliate funnel. The third module is the online ATM machine, and the fourth module is the king of free traffic, which is YouTube. The fifth module is free traffic with TikTok. The sixth module is free traffic with Facebook groups. The seventh module is Daniel Cho's high ticket sales. The eighth module is Joshua Ong's Facebook profile funnel. Number 9 is create a website for blogging. And the 10th module is Google SEO mastery with Nathan Luca. The 11th module is paid traffic with Google, and the 12th module is launch jacking. Let's see the bonuses of Freedom Breakthrough. The first bonus of Freedom Breakthrough is that Jonathan Montoya's 3-day challenge white label right. The second bonus is YouTube ads breakthrough. The third bonus is 75% commission affiliate program. If you join the Freedom Breakthrough affiliate program through the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, you will get access to promote the Freedom Breakthrough course and earn a 50% commission on every sale. You might be wondering who created Freedom Breakthrough. Jonathan Montoya is the creator and the owner of Freedom Breakthrough. Before Jonathan started doing business online, Jonathan was working as an electrical engineer. And most importantly, at that time, he was earning about $80,000 per year. He claims he hated the 9 to 5 job and wanted to be closer to his family and watch his daughter grow up. So he decided to try out affiliate marketing. Jonathan Montoya started the Freedom Breakthrough because he wants to create an impact and help others by teaching them how to break free from the 9 to 5 grind with high ticket affiliate marketing, just like he did. What I like about Freedom Breakthrough. The first thing that I really like about Freedom Breakthrough is that it's packed with proven and tested strategies. The second thing that I really like about Freedom Breakthrough is that it is really great for beginners. Because of Jonathan's step-by-step approach to explaining things, Freedom Breakthrough is great for beginners who are new to high-ticket affiliate marketing. The Freedom Breakthrough course is suitable for you if you want to learn how to build a high-ticket affiliate business completely from the scratch that will pay you for years to come. The third thing that I really like about Freedom Breakthrough is that it includes experts' contributions. And the first thing is that there are extra costs not mentioned. Implementing the strategies taught in the Freedom Breakthrough course requires you to use some tools and automation software like ClickFunnels, GetResponse, and hosting services, which range from $15 per month to $297 per month. But the good news is that in Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, Jonathan adds a new training for Systemi.io, which is completely free. You would need this tool to create the systems that are proven to make consistent high-ticket affiliate sales on autopilot. The second thing that I really don't like about Freedom Breakthrough is that the price may be high for beginners. The price of the Freedom Breakthrough course is $1,497 and I understand that this may seem a bit expensive to some, especially if you are a complete beginner. So what is the price of Freedom Breakthrough? Freedom Breakthrough course price is around $1,497. Freedom Breakthrough pricing comes in two payment system. The first option is one-time payment of $1,497 and the second option is three payments of $597. There is also a refund policy with 14 days money back guarantee, which clearly means that you have absolutely nothing to lose by investing in this course. If you are on a budget, you can start the Freedom Breakthrough course 3-day challenge which is only a one-time payment of $7 only. If you are on a tight budget, you can start the Freedom Breakthrough course 3-day challenge, which is only a one-time payment of $80. If you're on a tight budget, you can start the Freedom Breakthrough 3-day challenge, which is only a one-time payment of $7. Now it is time for me to share my final thoughts about Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 with you. With everything Freedom Breakthrough offers, if you want to quit your 9-to-5 grind and create a full-time affiliate marketing business, my advice would join the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 and get access to all the trainings. Pick one training session or traffic source like Module 4, the king of free YouTube, the king of traffic, which is YouTube. Implement everything you learn, master the traffic source until your business income surpasses your 9-to-5 job income. Then add more traffic sources and take your business to the next level. That's exactly what Jonathan Montoya did and exactly what I would do if I was just straight out. Regardless, if you are yet to make your first high-ticket sale online and you want to build a 6 to 7 figure high-ticket affiliate marketing business, or you are simply searching for a proven and lucrative affiliate marketing program,